All right, it's late. I should be in bed. I probably will go to bed soon, but for the moment, I am going to open up the new toy, the Soundbrenner Core. I was helping them with some advertising stuff over the summer, and they sent this to me as a thank you, which they did not have to do, but I certainly appreciate it. I'm really hyped on the actual device. I got to play with the early version of it over the summer. I'm super excited to open this up and kind of see what the final thing looks like. And also, it's just dope. I really have just been wanting to wear it, but I didn't want to take it out of the box until I was able to show everybody. So anyway, here we go. And oh, and shout out to Florian and James and everybody else at Soundbrenner. You guys are the shit. Okay, so I've never actually done... Ooh, bump my camera. All right, so I've never actually done one of these unboxing videos, so this is kind of just exciting for me. But anyway, so Soundbrenner Core Steel, that's what it looks like. There's a little tab. And it says to pull, all right. This is nice. Designed for musicians by Soundbrenner. Play better anytime, anywhere. Let's see here. So I guess this guy slides off. No? Maybe? I pull on this. It's like, oh, duh. This is like the worst unboxing ever. Anyway, whoops. So I put that there. Okay. So, ooh, this is nice packaging for sure. So obviously this is the watch, right? And the strap. This is a little case for it. And this is nice. A little pouch. All right. Master your craft. We all strive for the feeling of confidence and passion every time we play. This is true. All right. Yeah, nice. Okay, so this is like a practice tool. It's got a bunch of features. This feels like an Apple product, the way it's packaged. This is cool. What is this? Okay, so we get some accessories. Okay, different strap. All right, so we get, so there's like a couple options as far as straps. I guess if you want to practice with it, we have, this is like the watch strap. Oh, Jesus, so much stuff. Okay, so manual. We got a sticker. I love free stickers. Tuner mount adhesive. Your tuner mount already has an adhesive pre-applied, but there's a few extra. No worries, they won't leave any residue. I guess if you want to stick it on your instrument, you do it that way. So I got some glue and some things, okay? This is cool. Share and win. Join our community of musicians and win an all-in-one pack for Core. Okay. Pick a new winner every week of 2019. I guess I missed that one. Well, that's okay. Cool. It's 2020. 2020, baby. All right. Please leave us a review. Yeah, I'll review you, of course. All right, so some of this stuff. I got my strap here. All right, put this over here. I guess I'm going to put this in the thing. This is the main event here, right? This is the actual device, right? And you can wear it on your watch or your wrist or... yo, this is a better strap. I like this one more. I guess this is like a leather one, and this one is like some kind of, it's like more of a rubbery thing. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna, from when I'm just wearing this as a watch, I think I'm gonna just use this one. This is nice. Okay, so we have that. So I guess we have a couple different kind of straps. One, this is like a wrist one. I wonder, I could maybe put this, on a wrist or ankle. So this is cool. So much stuff. Let me move this out of the way. So I'm just gonna put all this here. All right, so we have our straps. We have this one. Yeah, I guess this is like the wrist or ankle strap, I would assume. This is a longer one. I guess this is if you want to put it, let me try, yeah. This seems like it's for like if you want to go around your body, which I'm a fan of. I have their original vibrating metronome, the Soundbrenner Pulse, which is awesome, but I like this better. I think this is much more sleek. All right, so now we got some other goodies. What is this? Caution, strong magnet. Oh, I guess this is for actually, like, this has that adhesive back on it. I would assume this is for like you mount this on your instrument so you can plop the tuner on and have it work. Ooh, that is a strong magnet. Hey baby. All right, so we have a charger. This isn't terribly thrilling, but definitely necessary. There's a little cap here, I guess, right? Okay, so that's that. Little USB guy. Okay, so let's just pull this apart. Because I want to start using this like tomorrow. Alright, so there's that. That and set of earplugs. That's handy. Let's see what we got. A little, oh yeah, nice. Okay. I'll use these. Earplugs are good. It has a dB meter on it. I pretty much always wear earplugs at gigs. Just because I make a living with my ears. So it's important to keep them working. Let's figure out if I can turn it on. Oh, wait, I just saw it do something. I might have to get the manual out for this one. Alright, let's see if we can get this going. I just saw it blink though. So maybe we hold one of these buttons. Maybe it's the other button. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Might fast forward past this part. Oh, this is cool. Alright, I remember this from the demo over the summer. This is a magnet on here, right? So it's got this little locking joint. So we can, let me put it on. Start there. Right. Cool. Alright, I like it. Slick. All right, so here it is. I got it turned on and working. The only not obvious part about getting this set up was I had to just I had to plug it in. It actually came with a good charge on it, and I had to set it up with my phone app. I have an iPhone, so I just had to, you have to tether it and get the setup going and possibly update the firmware. So that was the only part that took me a minute to figure out. But yeah, this is great. So I guess maybe you could change this, but right now, when you're normally just wearing it, it's just, the face is like blank. But then if you touch it, you'll feel it vibrate and the stuff comes on. Or also, I guess if you move, let me see if I can, yeah, so it goes off, and then let's just move. Like, yeah, like if you bring your hand up to look at the watch, right, then you'll see the time on there. So it's pretty cool. And then as far as like the actual, yeah, so you get the battery life and then the Bluetooth thing. But then if you hit the bottom button right here, right, and then turn this wheel, you can use the different tools in here, right? So there's a metronome, obviously, which is like kind of their bread and butter, right? So then if you tap twice, you get rocking with the metronome, right? And then you could just use the buttons to scroll through the options here, like if you want to go faster. All right, 150, right? Whatever. Then you tap twice again and it'll stop. Then if you hit the top button, it goes back to this menu, right? So yeah, there's a tuner, which I haven't used yet. And I think you need to actually use the stick-on joint to get it to work, but I will report back with that. And then this is one that I was particularly interested in. It was the dB meter, because I mix a lot and I do a lot of gigs that get pretty loud. So when I'm at home mixing, I always want to know if I'm monitoring too loud, and if I am at a gig, it's good to know, like, you know, when kind of the time to put earplugs is in, or what the time to put earplugs in is. And it'll actually, when you set it up with the phone, there's an option where you can set up like an alert. So if you're just like out and doing your thing, and it, you know, it hears that it's loud for a long time, it'll give you a little alert that says like, hey dude, protect your ears, it's your money makers. So anyway, yeah, this is really cool actually. This is probably the feature I was most excited about was the dB meter. And yeah, it'll tell you, now it's pretty loud because they're doing all this construction right outside my window here. But yeah, so it gives you a reading, it tells you how long it's been reading for, as well as an average and a max, right? So yeah, the construction outside and my loud ass voice probably doesn't help, but so anyway, you can just go back and we'll go to the other options here. There's a timer. This is cool. Practice timer. Again, you double tap to start it, and it will. Oh wait, the I think you double tap to start it. Am I wrong? No? How do I work this? It's a little awkward. This is the other option. Yeah, so with this, you use the bottom button to scroll through, right? And like if I want to set a timer for like, say I want to practice for like 20 minutes, I can put that here, right? And then double tap and it'll start going. So this is cool. Very handy. Again, this is cool to have like a bunch of these features in one place, so I don't have to go and like play with my phone to get to it, because then you get sucked into phone land, which I was never a fan of. So anyway, let me just pause by tap. So let's pause, and then I guess if you hit this again, we can, how do you reset? Maybe like this. We'll go back. It's okay. I'll figure that out later. I have a timer set for 97 hours. All right, yeah, and then let's see. Stopwatch, that's pretty cool. Kind of the inverse of the timer, and then your settings. So anyway, yeah, this is dope. I'm super thrilled to have one of these. I'm gonna definitely use it. And yeah, I'd be curious to see what other people think of this thing. All right, peace out. Like, subscribe, you know what to do.